if you're just kinder to people, I think people just be, they're more open to talk. You're not like judging them and stuff like, you just accept like what they like. I think people are much more open to talk about what they like than they would if you're like, oh, why do you like that? Why do you like that? And stuff like that.
I think you don't want to speak to a person if you know they're going to criticize you on things, because it might close up a bit then and then not be as willing to speak about things again. I think the person has to be very open and willing to listen, like, I guess, caring, and just know that the person's there for you, I think.
Like educating more people on it. So I feel like that'll sort of stop people from being as judgmental about it. When people like ask for help or something, they won't get like judged or harassed for having those problems.
Having consistent exercise and stuff does really help with like keeping your like the chemicals in balance and just actually getting the right stuff flowing through your brain.
Music as well is a big one. I have my own little hobby. I've got my own DJ set.
Like playing music or listen to music like as part of like expressing their emotions and like how they're feeling about stuff. Even when you don't have like the language or the ideas behind what you're feeling, you can still find songs to relate to and like kind of put something to what's in your mind.
I think sharing stories, sharing experience is a very much key factor in being able to communicate past these barriers.
Forest school groups for adults, they can sit around in front of a campfire, they don't have to look at one another, and they just stare at the middle of the front and then express everything, and then once they've said what they're feeling about, they will feel better about themselves, and they've always got guidance and help from other people then as well.
Yeah, just having any kind of place, like especially stuff outdoors, is usually like really nice.
The government could like open more like groups and stuff, like how we have like youth clubs and stuff. They should be more open and advertising it more to younger people so that they come, and there's also a stigma around that because everyone thinks, oh, they go there, so they're like naughty, they're poor or something. So I think if we advertise these things more and like show that it's not just for unwell, unhealthy, problematic children, I think that will help.
Normalising it in places such as schools and places where, yes, mental health is a struggle, but it's not spoken about as much.